Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check Node. JS and NPM versions so you know the runtime. Open an elevated command prompt to avoid permission blocks. Then reproduce the error once and copy the full stack trace, file path, and line number. This is crucial because the trace tells you whether it's a syntax, module, or environment issue. Once done, isolate whether the error is in your code, a dependency, or Windows-specific settings before moving to fixes. You now focus on diagnosis. Run Node with trace warnings or inspect to get runtime diagnostics. This reveals async/rejection sources. Next, remove Node modules and lock file, then reinstall to resolve corrupt packages or version mismatches. Check for globally installed packages that shadow locals and confirm path and Node env values. Mismatched envars often change behavior. If a native add-on fails, rebuild with npm rebuild or npm install build from source, so binaries match your Windows 10 ABI. You finish by validating the fix. Create a minimal reproducer file and run it to ensure the error is gone. If issues persist, inspect Windows logs with Event Viewer or use Process Monitor to catch permission or antivirus interference. Clear npm caches and rebuild. Make sure file encodings and CRLF line endings aren't corrupting scripts. One key troubleshooting tip: if behavior differs on another machine, compare environment variables and installed Node versions to pinpoint the remaining discrepancy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.